Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing another what's in my purse video. I do these a lot on my channel. I do it like 2 times a year because I'm always switching out my bags, but this one is super special because it's with my Chanel 19 flat bag and I'm obsessed with it. I haven't done a what's in my purse on this video yet and I'm just really excited to be doing it. So yeah. I will have all my what's in my purse videos linked in the description box for you guys to watch and check out. I'll have all the items that are in my purse linked in the description box, and I'll try and link my purse in the description box as well, like on resale websites. But I also did an unboxing first impressions review on this bag, so I'll have that in the description box as well if you're interested. This video is not going to be that, it's just going to be like what's inside it and stuff. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. Also, if I look familiar, it's because I'm literally filming this on the same day that I filmed my last video, my lululemon video. So yeah. And if my hair looks a little crazy, it's because I just got done trying on the clothes, so ignore that. But anyway, so really quickly, this is the Chanel 19 flat bag, small in white. This is the goatskin leather. I've only had it for, oh my gosh, a month and a half maybe? I'm not even sure. I'll put the date of when I got this bag on the screen. But yeah, this is fairly new to my collection. It's the newest bag in my collection. But as far as wear and tear, I would say that it's really, really good. Goatskin is really durable. It hasn't gotten dirty. I mean, like, sometimes I'll catch like a small little spot on it and I'll just wipe it off with like a damp wet cloth and it gets it off right away. So really good, no scratches. Love it so much, and the shape is really nice because I have it really full right now. But yeah, definitely check out my unboxing video if you guys want to see like more in depth about this bag, because I go into like the metals on the chain and just like a lot of different stuff, price, everything like that, mod shots, all that fun stuff. So I think that's all that I have to say. This is my baby though. Like, I love this bag. It's my favorite in my collection. I definitely am a Chanel girl now, which I hate to say. I don't know how many Chanel bags I will be buying in my future. Well, hopefully a lot. I'm gonna put it out there. But Chanel and Hermes are the only luxury designer brands that appreciate and value over time. And I know Chanel always has price increases. They're literally having one on July 1st, which is crazy. So I'm glad I got this while I did, or when I did. But yeah, so I love it. It's my favorite bag. It's very special to me. Not just because it's expensive and it's Chanel, but just because I love it so much. Just the functionality and just the look of it is stunning. Even though it is white, it's very easy to clean and it doesn't really get that dirty. And also, I find that this bag goes with so many outfits. Like, I wear a lot of athleisure. Like, I'm literally wearing an outfit from Lululemon right now and it like matches my outfit right now, you know? Like, I can dress it up, I can dress it down, and it just goes with so much. So that's like a little update. I'm really glad I opted for this one instead of black. So yeah, I'll just give you guys a little close up. This is the small size, but it's about equivalent to a medium or jumbo flat bag. I mean, classic flap, not flat bag. But yeah, so this is a really good size and I love it. But definitely check out the video if you guys are interested in more details. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and open her up. And this is what the bag looks like when you first open it up. Oh, sunglasses are coming out. So I'm gonna try and like have the bag like right here so you guys can see it as I'm talking. First things first are my Louis Vuitton sunglasses. I forget the name of these, but I'll have them linked in the description box. It's like something with a W, but I love these. These are my go-to sunglasses, and I just have these in my purse. Probably should be more careful with them, but I love these so much. I'll have them linked down below. Okay, so that's what the bag looks like. I do have a bag organizer from Zumani. I'll have a link down below. It's in the custard cream color, I want to say. But yeah, so I really, really like it. It helps my bag like have a little bit of structure to it because the 19s just don't have really any structure to them at all. It's just like a big pillow or like cloud. So this organizer not only helps protect the interior and helps me stay organized, it also helps the bag keep a little bit of a shape, which I really, really like. This one's a lot different from my Passy bag that I did a what's in my purse on in January or February, I can't remember. But that one's like way more structured, and like the back pocket is a lot harder to put things in versus this one. So yeah, this versus the Passy, like uncomparable. That one's very structured, this one's very not structured. But anyways, so I'm just gonna start pulling random things out. I just have them in random slots, like they just change all the time. So first thing is my Glossier hand cream. Always have this stuff with me, and if a friend needs some lotion, I got it. Also, my hands are like always dry, so it's just a necessity for me. Next up is my Gucci Marmont card holder. A lot of this stuff was in my old like what's in my purses. I just don't really switch up the contents of my purse that often, you know. But this one, I don't know the shade, but I know they don't make it anymore, but it's really pretty pink. Then I have a hand sanitizer from Ulta. I have some Advil liquid gels because you never know when you're gonna get a headache or cramps or anything. I have a few lip products. I have my Dior Lip Glow Oil. I love this stuff so much. I'll put it on for you guys. I have like every stinking color in this lip gloss, but this is 007 if you guys are wondering. Then I have my Gucci lip balm in No More Orchids. Very bougie, but I really love this lip balm. It's like hydrating, but it gives you like a little bit of color. And then last lip product that I have is the Glossier Birthday Balm.com. This stuff is amazing. And it's also really good if like one of my friends needs some chapstick, but obviously like with COVID and sicknesses and stuff, and like I was just sick with a sinus infection, you know, it's not really the best to share like lip products all the time. I'm a germaphobe. So this is really good because they can like put it on their finger, you know, instead of like with this gloss you have to actually like put it on, you know. So I don't know, kind of sanitary I guess. And then random, but I have this migraine stick. I used to get migraines really bad, but they've gotten so much better thankfully. But this is just like a little roll-on I got from Amazon. You just like put it on your temples and it's supposed to help. So it does help a little bit, I will say that. But yeah, also my AirPod Pros, necessity. I actually don't use these that much anymore. I used to like use them all the time during my lash appointments, but now I just like talk through my lash appointments, so never use these unless like I'm walking to class, but obviously it's summer, so don't really use these, but I have them in here. And then I have one of my favorite perfumes. This is the Chance Chanel. It smells so good, and it comes with like little refillable ones, so I'm almost out, but I have a backup, don't worry. But yeah, this is like one of the best perfumes ever. I love it. And then last but not least, pretty sure, is my keys. So I'll show you guys a little keychain tour. I won't go too in depth because I do this every what's my first video, but Louis Vuitton key pouch I got literally forever ago, like when I was a junior in high school. A little Lululemon keychain, a door opener, and like elevator poker, I don't know, sanitary. A bunch of keys, my car key, Balenciaga keychain, random stuff like that. So that's my keys. And now for the back of the purse, I have a mask. This is from Skims. Love that one. I also have my favorite thing in the world. This is a little purse clip. Basically, if you're out in public, you clip your purse on to like a table or like any surface, bathroom stall, and it's great because it's like not touching the chair, like hanging off the chair, hanging on the bathroom stall. I don't know, it's great like for functionality purposes, but also sanitary purposes. So I love this thing. I always keep it in the back, and that's all that's back here. I can fit like a lot more. Usually I'll put my phone back there, or like if I have a paper or like a check or anything, you know, card, anything. I do have a little pill, but I gotta take that out of here. I think it's like an Advil or one of my antibiotic from my sinus infection. Yeah, so that's everything. This is the purse empty. You guys can see the purse organizer. I'll have it linked down below. It doesn't match my interior perfectly, but it doesn't bother me. Also, I used to have the authenticity card in this pocket in my Chanel 19. I actually don't put anything in this pocket because I don't want to like get it like messed up, you know. This one back here. I used to have my authenticity card back there, but I took it out because I was like, God forbid somebody takes my purse and like robs me. If I have the authenticity card in there, like they'll be able to get a lot more for the bag, you know. So I'm just like, I don't know, weird about that. But I have my authenticity card, just not in here. But yeah, it's pretty much it for the purse. It holds so much and it's not too heavy. I usually carry it by like the top handle like this. And I always have the chain in more times than none, but you obviously can carry it as a little shoulder or crossbody bag. So, but I love the top handle function. I like just like carrying it by the top handle or like putting it on my wrist, you know. So yeah, that's it, you guys. So guys, that is everything that I have in my Chanel 19 small flat bag, goatskin, white bag. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell, follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen, and listen links in the description box below. Like I said, I'll try and have everything linked down below. Let me know if you guys want me to keep doing these videos. I usually do one in the summer and then one around New Year's, so twice a year. So I'll see you guys around New Year's for another one, unless I get another purse before then. But yeah, this is my baby. I have not carried another purse since I got this. I'm just really, really grateful and just so in love with this bag. And yeah, but let me know what you guys think of this bag down below. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will hopefully see you very, very soon in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.